What's up, everybody? This is Nico. Welcome to Birmingham Forex Traders. Okay, real quick, guys, I just wanted to make this video real briefly to just be 100% real and 100% transparent with you about this. Okay, this is the foreign exchange market. A lot of you have participated in this already. For example, when you go to another country and you exchange your currency for their currency and then you convert it back, the price fluctuates. It's either gonna be worth more than when you came in, or it's gonna be worth less, up or down. Either way, you're basically about to be taking advantage of those price fluctuations from your laptop or phone, from anywhere, from driving, from being at work, or just being at home. You're about to take advantage of those price fluctuations and make serious gains off those. The Forex market, or the foreign exchange market, is concrete and solid, like the stock market. It's not going anywhere. That's basically what I meant by that. It's not going anywhere. The stock market is $1 billion industry, but the foreign exchange market is $1 trillion industry. Okay. So you see the fluctuations happen much faster, and it's much easier to make gains or losses. A few years ago, up until a few years ago, this wasn't accessible to the average person like me and you. You had to participate in the Forex market. You had to have at least $3 million cash in net worth and $100,000 cash in your bank account. So no wonder, our parents or just anybody in general, not many people know about this because it wasn't accessible to the average person up until a few years ago. Now anybody with internet can access the foreign exchange market and participate. Now it makes sense to me because I know, where we're headed. I know that it's only going to be an upper class and a lower class. The middle class is not going to exist in the coming years. This has to do with AI, artificial intelligence. A lot of jobs are being automated every day. And, you need to have a certain skill. You need to have a skill that separates you, or a solid skill that's going to make you money. Like, you can literally be on your last $20, but because you know how to trade and read patterns and you know about trends, you can turn that $20 into an easy $300 within minutes or hours. The Forex market is great. It's exciting. Can you lose money in the Forex market? Yes, you can lose money. Just as easy as you can make money, you can lose money. The other day, I made $40 in 10 to 15 minutes. And then the day after that, I made $900 in a few minutes. That's because I weighted my account. You'll learn about that. I did a 20 lot weight, but you'll learn about that. I don't want to get too specific. But just as easy as I gained that money, I could have lost it. But you're going to learn how to not go in debt participating in the Forex market. It's just as easy as this. All you got to do, you're going to learn how to do this. It's just the power of knowledge. That's why you want to have knowledge. You don't want to just dive in. But you're going to learn about stop loss points. And you can say you set a stop loss. You're going to stop the loss at your entry point. So that means whenever you enter the market, if the graph falls below that, it's going to automatically pull you out so you don't lose anything. So that's just one example of how the power of knowledge can help you in this market, in any market, really. I know somebody that decided to go upon the foreign exchange market and teach themselves. He lost $20,000 doing it, but because he taught himself, he had a personal mentor and he taught himself how to do it. He lost $20,000 in this market, but now he is eating. He is wealthy. And guys, there's a lot of wealthy people out here. Like, it's a lot of people under the radar that got money. You'll be surprised. But yeah, he decided to go upon things about himself, and he lost a lot of money. But he learned the forex market that way. With this, what we're about to show you, this is a platform that teaches you how to trade in the forex market. It teaches you the basics. You don't have to join. You can take that route and learn the forex market yourself, or you can learn the basics, and you can watch the pros and watch their moves. My line brother Jabari, he just left his demo account and started trading on his real account. Now you're gonna always have a demo account, whether you've been trading for a few months or you've been trading for a few years. You're gonna always use your demo account. The demo account is how you just basically practice and make moves, and you be like, okay, I see what's going on here. I'm going to use my real account and make the real gains. And it's just as easy as that. But guys, I don't want to go too far in specifics. I just wanted to give you a brief breakdown and be real with you about this and why this is a skill you will want to have. And just to say it again, you do not have to join IML to trade in the foreign exchange market. IML is a platform that educates you. It's like school, it's tuition. You get to be educated in this market and you get to participate in it at the same time. That's what IML is. That's what you're about to be paying for. If not, you cool. You can do all the research you want with no guidance and you can participate. Or you can pay tuition from pros that's teaching you and have a whole network of people that's doing this and making money in it, and you can eat with everybody else. You know, this isn't a self-investment. You're investing in yourself. You want to improve yourself. Knowledge. Even with the job you have now, you wouldn't be able to have that job if you didn't have the knowledge of how to do that job. Knowledge is so powerful, guys. So a lot of people think a lot of people think you have to network and you have to talk to people and you have to go around and put people on. No, that's what I'm for. Hopefully you too, but that's what I'm for. Just because that's what I like to do. I like to educate and tell other people. If that's not you, cool. You really don't have to tell other people about this. You can just be making money and people ask you. And you be like, oh, I trade in the Forex market. That'll turn their heads upside down. They'll walk away and be like, wow, I wish I was like him. Or you can tell them, you can do this too. I learned a few months ago, last year, how to do this. Okay? And because you're telling them about IML specifically, there's plenty of platforms out here that teaches the Forex market. There's plenty of platforms. But because you told them about IML and you're in IML, IML is going to pay you per person you bring in. That's them. That has nothing to do with the foreign exchange market. You know, a lot of people want to compare that part to the pyramid scheme, which I wouldn't even compare it to that. But guys, that's completely optional. What you want to get out of this is the skill of trading. You can take the business side of it and grow a team like I'm doing. I'm educating people, growing a team, and telling others about it as I'm trading. So I'm making money in both the areas of this. You can just make money trading. Or you can not trade at all, and you can just build a team of people that's going to build a team. It's called the business opportunity. You got the skill trading side and you got the business opportunity side. I'm doing both. You can choose either one. Okay? Don't get caught up in that. What you want to get out of this is the trade, is the skill. Being on your last $20 and flipping that to a smooth 500. Okay? I just want to make sure that I made that a clear distinction, because a lot of people, okay, I see how to trade and all that stuff, and then when you get to the team growing side, they be like, whoa, that's not for me. Like, they forget everything else. And neither one of these ways to make money could be for you. Maybe you don't like trading. Or, I mean, you don't know about trading, so how could you not like it yet? Or maybe you don't want to network and talk to a lot of people. That's cool. You can make money in one of the fields or both. They're completely optional. Okay? So that's what IML is. IML is a team of professionals that teaches you how to trade. And if you decide to tell other people about this opportunity, they'll pay you. That's all that is about that. Okay? So when you hear about that, don't forget that you're in this for a skill of trading. You're about to become a bank. And you can do a lot with this skill. You're gonna run into a lot of people that doesn't know what to invest in, and you're gonna run into a lot of people that are basically scared to participate in this type of work, this type of trade. And that's cool. You know what you can do? You can take advantage of that just like the bank does. You can take their money that they give you. You can go trade. You can go trade in the Forex market with it. Make stupid gains, high profits, and pay them a small percentage. Okay? So you're about to become a bank. Let's get it.